This is Steve Walsh, the family man from Brighton who went on an ordinary business trip that sparked an extraordinary train of events. He contracted coronavirus in Singapore at a conference. On a ski holiday in France on the way home, he passed it on to 11 others. Today, the man, dubbed the superspreader, released a statement from the London hospital where he's being kept in isolation. Steve Walsh thanked the NHS, said his thoughts are with others who have contracted the virus, and confirmed he had no symptoms of the disease. As soon as I knew I had been exposed to a confirmed case of coronavirus, he said, I contacted my GP, NHS 111 and Public Health England. When the diagnosis was confirmed, I was sent to an isolation unit in hospital, where I remain, and as a precaution, my family was also asked to isolate themselves. They're taking no chances at this GP surgery in Brighton either. A doctor here believed to be one of 2 healthcare professionals who caught the virus from Mr. Walsh in France.
She's a lovely doctor, yes. Very nice, very caring. Just been my mother's doctor, actually. What bad luck.
A sister surgery nearby has also been closed, and as attempts are made to trace patients who've seen the 2 health workers, a care home visited by one has shut its doors to visitors. Locals are taking their own precautions.
Literally, we've just had a fresh batch of delivery of masks.
And they were hard to come by?
Very hard to get hold of. All the wholesalers that normally stock masks, surgical masks, have all sold out. Every other person walking into the pharmacy are actually either asking for masks or hand sanitizers.
Near one primary school where a teacher has come into contact with someone now in self-isolation, hand sanitizer is king.
I've got a little boy, so I'm really a bit worried about it, to be honest. I put it on about 20 times a day now since I've heard about it.
Everyone at work's mentioning it quite a lot as well. I'm worried, I don't want to get ill.
Public Health England says tracing the contacts of those affected is working well. While Steve Walsh and others remain in hospital, the message is to be alert, not alarmed. Tessa Chapman, 5 News in Brighton.
Well, our health correspondent Catherine Jones joins me in the studio, and we have a new name for this infection today.
That's right. It's going to be called, get ready for this, you'll hear a lot of it, COVID-19, simply standing for a coronavirus disease that developed last year. The government's plans to contain COVID-19 are also evolving. Today it announced extra money for hospitals in case they need to build isolation units, and they also announced that the new powers they have to force people into quarantine and keep them there could last for up to 2 years.
The situation will get worse before it gets better. We will be guided by the science. Be in no doubt, we will do everything that is effective to tackle this virus and keep people safe.
Now, the key message also from the government is one they keep repeating. If you think you have this, do not go to your GP, phone NHS 111 and stay at home. But please bear in mind, there are 43,000 cases worldwide, just 8 in the UK currently.
OK, Catherine Jones, good advice. Thank you very much.